student. Today I am going to discuss a very essential and very important but a little bit tricky grammatical item, preposition. I know that many of the students, you are very much confused with the preposition, when to use, how to use, isn't it? So let's today discuss about preposition. Okay, starting with the verb blind. So you have seen that in a sentence like, he is blind of one eye. Here we use the preposition of. That means the meaning is that the person, he has lost his eyesight. Okay, one eyesight. That means he is blind. He is blind of one eye. Of preposition use. But in other sentence like, he is blind to the fault of his son. So here two preposition is used. In the second sentence, he is blind too. That means he has not lost his eyesight. He is not blind. Okay. That means here meaning is that he is indifferent to the fault of his son. So here two is used. Blind too means not lost his eyesight. Okay. Blind of means he lost his eyesight. Again you have seen there are many words that we use different preposition. Suppose died, okay, the word died. If we say that the man died of malaria or the man died of COVID-19, that means when a particular person, he died of some disease, then we use the preposition of. In the same way, in other sentence, suppose a man, he died in accident, then we use the preposition in. Okay, he died in an accident. If a person, he died, okay, he died due to some of his own reason. Suppose he died from overwork or overdrink, okay, so over hard working. So in that case, from preposition is used. He died from overwork. He died from overdrink. So in the same word, but preposition is different, we use in different situation. Suppose if, in the same way, if a person, he died for some noble cause or for something else, then we can use the preposition for. Okay, he died for his own country, or he died for love. In that way, then for is used. So here, dear students, you have seen that how we use different preposition in different situation or different meaning. Again, you very common one verb is make. Okay, make. Suppose this table is made of wood. So we have, having seen the table, it is visible that the table is made of wood. When we touch the table, we can feel that it is made of wood. So when, that means if the table is broken, then it again goes to its own state. That means wood is visible. Then we can recycle it. Okay, if the table is broken, we can recycle it and it again turns into wood. So in that case, the table is made of wood. Yes, when we recycle a particular material, here in spite of making into a table, the wood doesn't lose its property. In that case, of preposition is used. But you see that, but in other sentence, suppose butter is made from milk. Here butter is made from. Here from preposition is used because if the butter is melted, it cannot turn into milk. Okay, milk has lost its property. When we make butter, milk has lost its property. We cannot recycle it. Okay, in that case, from is used. In this way, sometimes we can use preposition of, made of, and sometimes we can use preposition made from. So you have seen that how tricky the preposition is. Again, you see the word, very often we use the word agree. Okay, agree. Suppose I am agree with you. Okay. When we agree with some person, then with preposition is used. On the other hand, when we agree to some proposal, okay, then we can use not with, then in that case we can use preposition to. That means I am agree with you, and on the other hand, other sentence, I am agree to your proposal. So same verb but preposition is different. We have seen that. Again, suppose angry. So suppose my teacher is angry with me. Yes, my teacher is angry with me. That means the particular teacher angry with me. But in that case, when we are angry with some person, then we use the preposition with. But when sometimes it happens that we are not angry with the person, but we are angry with some manners or behavior. In that case, we use the preposition at. Suppose my teacher is angry at my behavior, or my teacher is angry at my manners. So in that way, different preposition. Okay, it takes different word, takes different preposition in different situation. So that's why I have told you that it is preposition is really a little bit tricky. Okay, it is very difficult to handle. So you see the word sympathy. Sympathy, we use the preposition for. I have sympathy for the poor boy. I have sympathy for the poor boy. But when you use the word sympathize, okay, so I am sympathize with the poor boy. So for preposition is followed by sympathy. On the other hand, sympathize, we use sympathy, sympathize with. Okay, I am sympathize with the poor boy. Again, the very common word consist. Suppose the house consists of 3 rooms. Yes, so with the 3 rooms, the house is called house. Okay, the building is called house with the 3 rooms. So the house consists of 3 rooms. But the same word consists, it takes in when we use it in a different way. Suppose happiness consists in speaking the truth. Okay, in speaking the truth, the happiness, it is within speaking the truth. So in that case, in preposition is used. So in the first sentence, we use the preposition of consists of 3 rooms. In the second sentence, we use the preposition in when we say that it is happiness consists in speaking the truth. Okay, then you see, suppose another very important and very commonly used preposition with the month. Okay, so we are very much confused what preposition we have to use with month. Okay, suppose our school reopens in August. Okay, so if the date is not mentioned, so we use the preposition in the whole month. Within the month, our school reopens in August. But if the date is mentioned, then we have to use the preposition on. Suppose my birthday is on 14 August. Okay, in that case, if the date is mentioned, then we have to use the preposition on. So dear students, so I have given you some of the most important preposition today. I hope you have understood well. If you have liked my video, then please subscribe it. And the next video, very soon I will come to you. Okay. Till then, bye, goodbye, and be safe. Thank you.